This video is sponsored by my Etsy store, where you can buy physical scale models of rockets and spaceships, as well as digital model kits which you can download and print using your 3D printer. Link in the description.
Yo, what's up, Spaceship Maniacs? In this video I'm going to do something different than usual. I'm going to assemble a 3D printer, the Prusa Mark III. I bought two of them and I already assembled one of them. It took me around 3 days and I had a little issue with the filament detector. I think there's a dust particle in it. But I just switched it off in the settings and it works fine without the filament detector. And now I feel confident enough to record myself assembling the second printer. I hope I'll do this one in a day and make it work in a day. This video is going to be a time lapse because when I record everything then it's going to take way long. So let's get started and enjoy the show. Chapter 2 of the manual and the first phase of the assembly, the Y-axis assembly. What do we need? We need the basic tools, got them over here. I also brought some extra tools for myself, a file. Sometimes it can be handy to create extra space for nuts and bolts. We need these parts, we got them over here. Got the Y-axis bag, which contains all the nuts and the bolts and other parts. And it's very clear. I'm not sponsored by Prusa, but they've done a great job. The manual is super clear. You got tons of videos on the internet. If you're considering buying a Prusa, don't hesitate to buy the kit. It will save you a ton of money and you will get to know your printer from the inside out. And you won't make mistakes because the manual is very clear and you got lots of information on the internet. So don't hesitate. Even if you think you're not handy, just go for it. It will save you a lot of money. And let's continue with assembly. Even though the manual is very clear, I still managed to turn parts around. Well, I'm recording this on a Sunday, so okay, chapter 3 and phase 2 of the assembly, the X-axis assembly. Got all my tools, got all the parts, nuts and the bolts, the rods and the motor. Now it's time for chapter 4, the Z-axis assembly. We got all our parts, our tools. So let's go. Chapter 5, E-axis assembly. We got all the tools and the parts for the extruder, the nozzle, and this one is going to be the most complex with a lot of steps because we're going to build the entire extruder thing. Okay, chapter 6, LCD assembly. Got everything laying over here. So. So the LCD is done and I wasn't really paying attention, so I discovered that I turned the extruder around, so it was positioned wrong and I had to reinstall it. I think I wasn't paying attention and not focused on the manual. So with that done, We can go to chapter 7, heat bed and PSU assembly. We got all the parts over here, so let's go. So this is the final part, chapter 8, electronics assembly. We're going to get all the cables, guide them to this control board, which will fit in this box at this side over here. Okay, so now it's finished and now we only have to do the pre-flight check and plug it in. Every connector is placed well, and then we have to do the program which is on the Prusa to calibrate the entire printer, and then we can start printing. Alright, we have successfully calibrated this 3D printer. I'm now ready to get started. So now I got two beautiful Prusa Mark III printers and I'm super happy with them. This is the one you saw me assembling in the video. It took me a day and a half, and the first one took me around 3 days to make it work. I had some issues with the filament detector. I think there's a dust particle in it, but it also works now. With this one I had no real problems, that's why I was twice as fast. But with this one I made a lot of mistakes because I wasn't really reading the instructions, because I became a little bit arrogant and I thought I already assembled one, so this one is going to be very easy, and turned out I made a lot of mistakes. I turned components around, upside down. You might have noticed that in the video that I needed to redo some components, but in the end it works. I'm super happy with them and I can't wait to put them to work and make a lot of spaceships with them. Now if you're looking for something to print for yourself, go definitely check out my Etsy store, where you can find all kinds of files for model kits from spaceships and rockets, which you can download and print for yourself. Check it out, there might be something cool for you over there. Link in the description. Now thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Next time I will be back printing spaceships. This is SpaceshipMania signing out.